So what happens is when we have Mac OS, there are some libraries or some modules are not working properly with any software. Like there is some kind of hidden permission issues or some kind of issues are always there. Okay, so that type of issue is right now I am facing, which is WKHTML to PDF for Odoo ERP. Okay, what is the issue? I will just directly show it to you. See, when I configured it and installed it, I gave the all permissions and everything, but still I am getting some input, some output. There is another example is here. There is one payslip over there also. In that, here are multiple payslips. I printed it, but everything is getting messed up, and sometimes it is showing the characters or sometimes it is showing the stylings only. Okay, but what we need is the proper invoice like this. Okay, so we will going to install properly WKHTML to PDF in Mac OS today. Let's get to it. Okay, so when you reach to the WKHTML to PDF part, Odoo will take you to the version download, and in that there is no version thing like there for Mac OS. Okay, these all are for deb and rpm packages which are not used in Mac. Okay, so what we will do is we will go to WKHTML to PDF main pages. Okay, and go to the downloads. Here you can see the stable version. Okay, and the main catch over here is for Apple Mac OS there is no ARM64 package are there. Okay, so we need to download 64-bit. Okay, then what we need to do is we need to install Rosetta. Okay, so what is Rosetta? It will help you your terminal as an Intel app to run as an Intel app. Okay, so you can install it everything, and you can make your terminal to native also again. Okay, so first of all we need to install Rosetta over here. Okay, you in terminal, let's say let me first check my terminal is not in Rosetta. Okay, I have already installed it, so my terminal right now is not in Rosetta. So let me just install it here. Okay, Rosetta 2 is installed completely. We will terminate this session. Now we will again search for the terminal, click on the get info, and now we need to click on the open using Rosetta. Okay, so basically your terminal will now open as a Rosetta app like an Intel app. Okay, so now what you need to check to verify that it is in Rosetta. So you basically need to check the uname, and it's an x86-64. So now we are using this app as a Intel app. Okay, so downloaded this version, you need to redirect to that directory. Okay, HTML. So I have it. Okay, so what we need to do is in our next step we need to install this package, okay, to the target. So replace it with your desired packages and the target path. Our target path must be root. Okay, because the system will automatically install it to the local and bin binary. Okay, so let's install it. There is one thing we need to check right now is which WKHTML to PDF. It's in OPT homebrew bin because I've already linked it to the OPT homebrew. Okay, otherwise it will show you like this user local bin WKHTML to PDF. Okay, now you need to check WKHTML to PDF version, and you can find it's 0.12.6 with PageQt. Okay, now we need to make it global. So I did already. So you need to fire these commands. I will provide you the installation file in the description also. Okay, now we need to test PDF generation with the regular install of the WKHTML. It's working fine, but for Odoo we need to restart our Odoo and then test it. Okay, so what we'll do is we will restart our Odoo and check that it's working fine. Invoices, let's download one invoice. See, it's working fine. Otherwise you will get that WKHTML was not installed in the Mac, on the system. Sorry. Yeah. These are the final steps over here. Restart your Odoo and check it's working up correctly or not. Now you need to do is make your terminal to native mode. Okay, so let's complete the process here. Let's go again, get info, unmark it, and just restart the terminal. Now we also need to check that it is in the native mode. So it's ARM64. So Mac is basically running on the ARM64 with silicon chips. Okay, so it's done. Everything is working fine. The last thing is it will still run on the Rosetta automatically. You do not need to reinstall it. Okay, so now you can use your terminal in native mode and your Odoo will working fine. Let's restart it again. It's working fine because it's already installed in the Rosetta. Okay, thank you.